keep it thorough. I got 5 chicks in New York, that means one in each borough. I'm in the pocket like Burrow. When I'm back home, no, they treat me like Robert De Niro. Took her to talk about butter and churro. Took her home, gave her a...
Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's a new month. Class starts tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Troy. I have a basketball game tomorrow.
It's actually September 2nd today. Like, I vlogged yesterday, but you guys won't see that vlog for a while because it's a secret project. So I just got back from the gym not too long ago, and since it's a new month and I want to get into a positive spirit and mindset, I am going to I'm gonna do like a deep clean of my room. I'm probably gonna declutter my closet a little bit and then get ready for the semester for the classes that I can, because my profs still haven't posted the stuff that, like the syllabus and stuff, and the courses aren't available, so that's fun. It's gonna be my first day of school next semester, so that's super exciting. So I'm going to make my bed, turn up the music, and get to cleaning. I'm also gonna do like my September goals and stuff, so I'll show you guys that too.
She like the way that I dance, she like the way that I move.
I'm a futon, I'ma give it that penis. When it's just done, I'ma fill up arenas. Ooh, like Gilbert Arenas. Shoot my shot, I'm still with the demons. Ooh.
Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly eat some breakfast because your girl is starving, and then we will continue with the day. Okay, so I just printed off my 2 syllabi that were ready. So I'm actually gonna quickly staple them together. I don't know, when the semester starts, hello. Okay, there we go. Okay, so when the semester starts, I actually prefer to have my syllabus ready, and then I'll go through it and write the the dates of like tests and like quizzes and when things are due before the class starts, if possible, just so that I'm organized that way. I'm also going to put them into my Google Calendar, and I'll show you me doing that. So I'm just going to quickly staple these, and then we'll go from there. So as you can see, I just color coded my courses, and we're going to go through the syllabus and then add the dates. I just put the dates into my Google Calendar. I also just put them into the monthly planner section. So I think I'm going to add them to the... I think I'm going to add it to the weeklies now. You don't need to see that. It's the same. So far, this is what my planner looks like. So yeah, I'm going to add the weeklies, and then after this, I am going to purchase the other textbook that I need that I didn't buy yet. And then I am going to attack the laundry that I did. I did it on Monday and I wasn't home yesterday, so I'm going to do that today. And then I don't think I need to do any readings for tomorrow. No. So far I don't need to do any readings. And then after that, I have to do some like client work for my coaching business. And then I'm gonna edit this video. And then what else? I have to, oh yeah, I have to like create a grocery list because, let me just write this down. Okay, so today is September 2nd. Oh, and I have to call the bank. This is why I love to-do lists. Okay, so remember to drink your water. I'm trying to drink at least 2 of these minimum a day because I'm not hydrated enough. Like this morning, this morning I woke up with a massive headache, and I'm pretty sure it's because I was dehydrated. I was in the pool for a bit, and then we were in the hot tub for a while, and I didn't drink any water. So drink your water, please. What else? I don't think I need anything. I don't think I need to do anything else. Yeah, so just gonna add the dates to the weekly portion, and then we will get on with this pretty productive new semester prep. Okay, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I was really hoping that today would be a super productive day. I got off of a Zoom call like half an hour ago, and I was doing some stuff with my mom, and now I'm just relaxing and watching some YouTube. I still have to put my laundry away and come up with my grocery list. I drank all the water that I needed for today, so that's exciting. Let's just pull up. I did my programming. So I didn't do 1, 2. I won't be able to do 2 of the things today because 1, I'm pretty sure the bank is closed, so I can't call them, and I can't even call them for a few weeks, so that's out of the question. And then the other thing was editing this this vlog that you're seeing right here, but I don't want to rush it. I want to actually put a decent amount of time and effort into the video so that it's good quality. I'm trying to post good quality content, and I don't want to just post even though I want to post twice a week. I want the videos to be good, so I'm not gonna rush the editing process. And yeah, I'm also super exhausted. I was up at 5 this morning for my workout session, so your girl is tired, and I'm probably gonna head to bed in the next like 2 to 3 hours. I am gonna make some mac and cheese though, because I was craving it, and there really isn't much to eat in the fridge, hence the grocery list. So when I make the grocery list, I will let you know. And I think I actually might combine this vlog with the other one. Nah, I'm gonna do a separate one tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna watch my YouTube video and get on with the day.
Shake it. She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move.